Now we learn how to use a ccleaner. So first go to the browser Chrome, then go to Google, then type ccleaner, download, then scroll down to ccleaner.com, click on this link, then OK, press OK, then choose free download ccleaner. Okay, so after this step, go to what you say downloads. You will have a folder downloads in your PC. So let's make it show it practically. Free download. Thank you for downloading ccleaner. Click here to install. So while waiting for installing, wait for the ccleaner to get it downloaded. Then click on this screen and click on yes. By following this step, ccleaner will be installed. So I have the latest ccleaner version. So let's see how ccleaner works. Are you sure you want to quit? Yes. Close this browser and go to ccleaner icon here, red color. Double click. Then there are options like health check, PC health check, then custom clean. You can clean your browser and applications, cache and cookies and lots of things. Then there is a driver update. My suggestion is do not update the drivers before consulting any technical computer tech related guy, any professional. Okay, now registry registry cleaning. For registry cleaning, click on scan issues, wait for all the uh, unused registry to be loaded. Let it be 100%. I have 4 registry scans, so I'll click on review. Do you want to backup? These are unused icons. Invalid default icon, active Chrome that are not used, application path that are not used. Do you want to backup registry before making changes? You may want to backup, you don't want to backup. I don't want to backup. So press no. Then the screen says delete the registry value. Are you sure? Then click on fix issue one by one or fix all selected issue and close. Now all the registry paths have been deleted that are not used currently. Now in tools there are many options. Uninstalling different softwares that you have in the PC, then software updater, latest updated programs and outdated programs you can update from here. But for It will be automatic when you purchase a paid version. Then startup, you can check the what programs are you want to run in the startup. You can schedule tasks, context menu, window services, but do not go to startup before consult any professional. Browser plugins, you can check browser plugins what you have. Disk analyzer, I don't recommend to go to disk analyzer till you have any issue. Duplicate finder, you can find duplicate files from any drive. Yeah. System restore, this is the final step when there is any problem in your PC, and you have to go back to the previous version of your PC state. And drive wiper, this is the final option. You want to free the space. Then there is other about the ccleaner information, settings, cookies, all the settings are there. You can check it, and here you can upgrade the ccleaner to basic to professional version if you pay 690 rupees INR, Indian rupees. And this is how ccleaner works.